Hi guys, so today I am again here with a new plant care update. So today actually I am going to talk about this Penta plant. So Penta, it's a very beautiful plant and it has really beautiful flowers. So I have the white one in Penta, but actually Penta has lot of varieties, and Penta you can get pink, purple, and violet colors also, and they are really pretty in color. So this plant actually is it's a very great pollinator, and if you place this plant in your garden, so it generally attracts a lot of hummingbirds and butterflies. So it's basically a shrub. So today actually I'll talk about the Penta plant care, and it's also a very low maintenance plant. So I'll just talk about the basic tips about Penta plant, how you can grow Penta plant in your garden or terrace garden. So if you talk about the sunlight of Penta plant, so the sunlight should be enough for Penta plant. So actually Penta plant belongs to the tropical region, so it can withstand around 6 hours of sunlight, the full sunlight and the bright light, and after that it can go in partial shade. So for Penta plant, you can in summers you can go for the partial shade, like for 4 to 6 hours you can keep it in the hot sun, and then you can keep it in the shade. But in winters actually Penta plant you can keep it all the time in the sun, because Penta plant can withstand the full sun. So if you talk about water, the Penta plant requires very moist soil. So if you see this now, the soil is moist but it is getting little dry. So now it needs water. So when you see that the Penta plant, this up layer of the soil, it's getting dry, it's high time you should moist the highest layer of the soil. So Penta plant requires constant water. It cannot live without less water. So you should have to make sure that the soil is well drained but moist always. So whenever you see that the topmost portion of the soil is little dry, you can give it some water. So for Penta plant I will advise you to alternatively start giving the water. So if you talk about soil again, so Penta plant is a plant which requires very moist soil, but the water should not clogged, otherwise the Penta plant will wilt and die. So you have to make sure that you add little bit of sand in Penta plant. And if you're going in the garden, in the like on the surface, then it's fine, then no need of adding soil because the drainage would be fine. So you have to make sure that Penta plant has a good drainage system. So for me this Penta plant has been doing great, but you have to take care of these few things regarding Penta plant. And one more thing regarding Penta is, when the summer ends and when the spring or the autumn and the fall starts, you have to prune the Penta plant, because in the winters the Penta plant do bloom but they don't do really well. So I will another make another video for pruning the Penta plants, because I also need to prune my Penta plants, because there are little leaves which are getting like dried up, so it needs little pruning. I did little pruning like few days back. See, I've cut the leaves like that. So I will make another video for Penta plant, and do let me know if you need the soil preparation of Senta plant also. So that's it. Thank you.